Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in learning how to do this quick and easy hairstyle, make sure you keep watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. So I went ahead and parted my wig already. I could go back in and like clean it up. I probably won't have this style that long because I do not like hair in my face or on my face too long. So it's gonna be more of like a temporary style. But I like to just get my part really nice and clean. So I'm gonna just fix it up a little bit more. Clean it up like that, and that's pretty good for me. I like a deep side part, so this is a 5x5 wig. It's a closure wig, so that's why I'm able to have a little more flexibility as well. Use a wax stick because this is like temporary, and I'm just gonna lay down the flyaways. And then I'm gonna get my hot comb and lay those hairs down. And really get where the part is so your part is nice and like crisp. And I am going to just section off where like the bang area of my hair, or the swoop that I would like it, and how thick. So I want about that much of my swoop, and you want to comb it downward and then just lay it flat just like this. So that's about where I want it. And then I'm gonna lift this hair up a little bit so I could tuck it under. Just like that. And you wanna take it behind the ear. But it should lay just like that. Like, you're gonna go in with your spray, just a little, and you're gonna flatten it down with your edge control brush. And I like my swoop to come a little like right above my brows. So just like that. And it should just lay right on your head. Like right there, and I swoop it behind like that. This is like so quick and easy, y'all. It doesn't require too much. Bobby pin, I have 3, but I probably would just use 2. And you take that right, you grab the hair of the swoop and you push it right underneath where your wig cap is, and then you just go back in with just a little bit of spray like that. So this piece of hair can actually connect. If you want, you could go in with one of these clips and use that clip right there as well, so it could cover those bobby pins. Such a quick, easy style, and I'm actually going to be dropping a curling tutorial next week. So if you would like to see that, make sure you subscribe. But this is just a quick little hairstyle that you could try out. Not too much effort, and like I said, it's super quick. I like to go in with the end of my hot comb though, and make sure all the hairs are flattened down. But make sure you don't burn yourself. Do not burn yourself. I'm just gonna leave the clip here, but you do not have to use the clip for this. But yes, this is a simple, quick hairstyle that literally takes like 5 minutes to do. And it's really cute, like, especially if you just want to switch up your wig real quick, like, so cute and girly.
What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you